Good day, will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. I am Elisa J. Coloma, 40 years of age, high school graduate, and married, and blessed with 3 children. I have 2 girls and 1 boy. Currently residing at number 68 La Lona, Santo Tomas, Pangasinan.
Can you please tell us about your working experience?
My work experience as a domestic helper is to Miss Yang Ruining in Beijing, China for 2 years. Since November 2007 up to November 2009.
So as a domestic helper in Beijing, China, for how many children did you take care of?
I can take care 1 children,
Okay, how old is he?
6 years old.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities as domestic helper?
My duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper is to manage all the household chores, washing and ironing clothes, and taking care of baby.
So do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of newborn baby by feeding milk formula every 3 to 4 hours and burp the baby every after feeding, change diaper, singing the baby in sleep, singing lullaby, change diaper, give vitamins, and cleaning their feeding bottles.
Okay, can you sing a simple children's song?
I can sing a simple children's song like, I have 2 hands, the left and the right, hold them up fine, so clean and bright, clap them softly, 1, 2, 3, clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, what will you do if your employer's baby crying for a long time?
I will check the diaper is wet, or I will check the baby if hungry. But if the baby is still crying, I will inform my employer that her baby is crying for a long time already.
How would you handle a naughty children?
I can I can take care of naughty children by friendly and playing with them so I could get their attention. I can take care of a little naughty children by playing with them, singing a songs together with them, and little teaching ABCD reading box.
Okay. What about an elderly person? Are you willing to take care of them?
Yes, madam, I can take care of elderly person, even a bedridden, since my grandparents, so I can take care of the elderly like my grandparents by helping their needs, taking their foods and medicine.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, madam, I know how to cook Filipino foods like tinola, pork adobo, chicken adobo, and others. And I know also how to cook a simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried rice, fried vegetables, noodles, and I'm willing to learn more.
Okay, most of the employers in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, madam, I am willing to learn, speak Cantonese, so I could fully understand them together, especially the elderly.
Okay, so your duties in Hong Kong will be doing all the household works and at the same time, taking care of the children. So how would you handle this kind of situation?
I will make sure that the babies, my employer's children, are in a safe place and giving toys to play, and I will doing my works.
What about during your day off? Then the employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors. What will you do?
I will not take my day off. Instead, I will stay and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the trust of your employer?
I can win my employer's trust to me by doing my best to work hard, and I will promise by being obedient trustworthy, and I will trusted my passport to my employer as way that my employer trusted their house and their children.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of much higher salary to giving to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help my family to provide their needs in financial matters.
So if you will be given a chance to work in Hong Kong as domestic helper, what would you like to say to your prospective employer?
Sir, Madam, if you will give me an opportunity to work as your helper, I promise that I will work hard, be obedient, loyal, and trustworthy, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract without causing any problem. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.